Alright, this is our video of removing a hydraulic lifter, or solid lifter, that's been mushroomed at the bottom. So we took a cup of PVC, we notched it, slid it all the way through the block. And then this was the bad lifter. We got it out. We had to cut it, pushed it in, catch it with a magnet, and then just slide the lifter right out of the motor. And then that's how it came out, just like that. Alright, now that's that. Lifter's out. Still good. Now come over here, and this is the lobe of the lifter. Was riding. That's something else, huh? Wonder why it's popping through the carburetor. We couldn't get no adjustment on it. That's what was left of the lobe. Then here's the lifter. Well, concaved a little bit. We had to cut the lifter a little bit, pulled it up to where it locked from being mushroomed out. Just took a cut-off wheel, cut it flush with the block, popped it right down into our little device, and comes sliding right out. So we pushed it through. Lifter fell in like that. We grabbed it with the magnet, and then we just pulled it right out of the block. Hillbilly engineering. Alright people, so if you got mushroom cam lifters, bad cam, and you can't get the lifters out through the top of your block, that's how you do it. Cut some PVC, 1.25 inches, nice little notch, drop it in. Alright people, good working with you.